Desai ugete ngwataniro ya mabururi maya maria riu makinyite mugwanja maria ni Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, South Sudan, Tanzania, Uganda na riu nginya Congo irugamire namba inya hari thoko-ini ya wonjorithia thutha wa India, China na America. Arishara-ini kiganda-ini kimwe gia guthia miti mwena wa Thika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Desai no akorirwo agithurima uria iganda ihotete kuhimbiria na kurutithia wira mamwe ma mogaruruku maria mambikirwo ni President Kenyatta riria ari muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ya mabururi maya.
This holds endless opportunities to organizations like Capwell to diversify their manufacturing, but most importantly to achieve what EAC espouses, which is value addition and value chains, for the benefit of ensuring that wealth reaches the last person within the context of its citizenry, but creates a real value proposition for the fact that the continent, especially the region, is resource rich as far as local produce is concerned.
Desai oho akiuga rungu rwa President Kenyatta ngwataniro eno ni hotete kweheria ihingica cia magoti ucenjania-ini wa motungata matiganite.
One of the other achievements that are notable and extremely relevant and have been developed in partnership with the private sector is the consensus on the common external tariff, a four-band structure which took 9 years plus to agree upon, but was agreed upon within the context of His Excellency's chairmanship of EAC. And this means now for industries like Capwell to innovate and to differentiate their produce, to diversify their productions. Industries like Capwell will have access to yet another 44 countries, and that would equate to almost 900 million people, by the fact that 1,600 tariff lines have been agreed upon, and this is the threshold of achieving what the African Continental Free Trade Area requires.
Ndatweko na inia na rianirira ria thirikari ria kugwithia thogora wa mitu nginya ciringi 100 hari kilo 2 ritugiritio ni muikariri giti wa iganda bururi-ini.
Of course, when the price has gone down, we just encourage that our consumers also responsibly buy, so that everyone gets an opportunity to participate in the lower prices, and people are just not buying to hoard in their pantries, because then of course it would become a challenge. Our capacities we are fully utilizing based on our raw material availability, and we have not changed our capacities or what is available for us to mill. So we are putting into the market whatever we can procure as raw material, and our capacity is not an issue as far as being able to put in the.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washige.